So you can now finally use Spotify on your Apple Watch without your phone, and I'm gonna show you how. Let's ramble.
Hold up, things go wild when I pull up. They all on me like it wants.
So I like to go for a run every now and then, and one of the things I hate the most is having to bring my phone with me. This gets especially annoying when you use a big one like I do. Trying to cram an iPhone 12 Pro Max into a running belt isn't fun. Neither is it flopping around your waist while you run. Of course, there are GPS watches around, and they've been around for a while, and they solve some of the issues I have. They will track your runs to a certain extent, so you can upload them to your app later, depending on whether your watch is compatible with your app of choice, of course. However, one huge problem for me always remained unfixed, and that is being able to stream my favorite tracks while I'm on a run, without the need to bring my phone. Now, I know it's been able to download tracks from Apple Music to the Apple Watch and listen to them offline, and that's great, but I don't want to use Apple Music. I like Spotify, and I'm a little tired of having to switch to Apple stuff or pay for an additional music service just to be able to use the Apple Watch the way I want to. Now, the Spotify app for the Apple Watch has been around for some time, but sadly, it wouldn't let you download playlists to listen offline, let alone let you stream anything. So basically, the Spotify app was nothing but a glorified remote. Until now. Spotify recently started rolling out functionality for the Apple Watch that lets you stream music directly from the app without the need to bring your iPhone. And that, for me, is game-changing. Now, this might be a little obvious, but I'll mention it just in case. This functionality only works on the cellular version of the Apple Watch. Of course, you'll need some sort of internet connection to be able to stream anything. So if you want to stream directly from your watch without your phone present, it has to be the cellular version. Alright, so all you need to make this work is a pair of Bluetooth buds and your Apple Watch. If this functionality has rolled out to your watch and you go into the Spotify app on your watch, you will now see a green phone icon underneath the play button. Tap on that, and now you will see that your Apple Watch is among the options for streaming. Click on that and it will ask you where you would like to have it play your audio. I have my Jabra Elite Bluetooth buds already connected to my watch, so I'll tap on that. And now you will see that the phone icon underneath the play button has changed to the watch icon. And that's it. You're now streaming music directly from your watch to your Bluetooth buds, and you can leave your iPhone at home. You can see your library, recently played, current song, and your playlist. One important thing to note is that right now, you can't search for new music from your Apple Watch. So it will only show you your existing playlist, podcast, artists, and albums. But hey, it's a huge step up, so I'm not complaining. I'm super stoked that Apple allowed a third-party app to offer this functionality on their watch. So now I don't have to subscribe to Apple Music when I'm perfectly happy about Spotify. Alright guys, I hope this little video was useful to you. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.